PJs put back together. Who knows, maybe I'll blow it up and have to do it all over again. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of putting the 2J together to fit in the Datsun. As you can tell, a little sneak peek of what's to come in a future episode. So make sure, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and like the video if you like it. And let's just get to the video. What is up everybody? It has been quite a while. We've got the entire shop cleaned up. So it's been about 2 weeks since I've even touched the engine. Alright, so one thing I haven't done yet is rebuild the VVTi gear. So right now what I'm doing is I'm actually watching a YouTube video from All Cars Everything. So shout out to him. Actually watching his video, and he's teaching me how to go ahead and rebuild this thing. Thanks for the help, man. So our crankshaft timing gear here needs to be slid all the way back. It was terrible trying to get it off. It took me a very, very long time. But what we're going to do is we are going to heat up this gear and then lightly tap it in. So by heating it up, it should expand it enough where it wants to slide on nice and easy. guys, so the 2J's put back together, turned it over, works great. I really don't know how this video has been put together so far. It's been probably a month in the making, just doing little things here and there, waiting on different parts, yada yada yada, doesn't really make a difference. So it doesn't look really pretty right now, but none of that changes the functionality of it. So right now I'm not too worried about it. Maybe later I'll come back and change them out, but who knows? Who knows? Maybe I'll blow it up and have to do it all over again, and I'll make it all pretty the next time. So I haven't put the intake or exhaust manifolds on there yet because I haven't ordered the intake one yet, and we're going to do a forward-facing intake. It'll work a lot better in the car. It makes the engine significantly shorter, a lot easier to deal with. In the next video, for those of y'all who have stayed tuned for this long, we're going to be putting in this. So, if you stayed to the end of the video, you know what the next video is about. It's kind of the whole thing. So guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, you know, all the good stuff, and I'll catch you on the next one.